What's up, guys? Welcome back to Diego TV, and today we're gonna do an oil change on my sister's car. We'll be going step on the instructions. The second step, we need to lift up the car. After we've done jacking up the car, and then make sure to be safe, we have to shake the car.
Okay, is it safe, buddy?
Yes.
Okay, so it's safe for us to what? To go underneath it.
Yeah. The dirty oil is gonna go in this bucket. Alright, guys, now we're gonna loosen up that bowl, and then we're gonna take the nasty oil out the bucket.
Okay, into the bucket.
Into the bucket.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Where's the bolt?
Yes, sir. Flip the wrench around.
What?
Yep, no, yep, like that. All right, let's start working it.
Why did I put it in there? Oh.
Wait, bring it back. That's tiny. What are you doing?
You told me to loosen it up.
That's not loosening it up. You gotta push. Push. Push, not pull. There you go. Pull now. Pull. Pull. Pull hard. There it is. All right. There you go. Now, can you take that bolt out by hand?
No.
Let me see. Grab that bolt. See if you can twist it by hand.
I don't want to touch dirty oil.
Okay, go then. Do it with the wrench. There you go. You see that? That's a good technique. Spin it like that. Make sure your bucket's right underneath it. Go, guy.
I don't want to get
The other way. Yep, like that. Spin it. Just go. Spin it and push up. Spin it and push up. Push up hard. Push up hard on top. Let's go. What the hell's going on out there? Go, come on, dude. Today, Junior. All right, it's about to come out. Push up, push up. Push the ball up and twist at the same time. Okay, there you go. Do that again. That was a good move. Oh, you see it? It's coming out already. You're going to have to just do it. Just do it. Come on, dude. Just do it. Go.
I can touch dirty oil?
Yeah, it's fine. Go. It's not going to burn you. You're not going to die.
Man, this is so gross.
Now you know what Daddy does when he goes to work. Let's go. Spin it.
Have you touched dirty oil?
Oh, there it is. You did it, buddy. Good job. Now get out and...
Yo, this is so gross.
You're good, though. There you go. Now we just let it drain. Good job.
Before we're going to take off the oil filter. That's going to do it.
So we're gonna unspin the oil filter. And you see how oil's coming out?
No, dang, that's gonna be a lot of oil.
So you gotta be careful not to make a mess. So you take that off.
And then oil's gonna come out.
And then oil's gonna come out. You see that?
Ew. Man.
Okay. And then we're gonna install a new one.
Are you gonna put it in there?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on already. Go get me the new oil filter and I'm gonna put it on already.
Okay. I stop recording.
Yeah.
Bob, we're gonna put a new oil filter.
Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of lubricant on the rubber seal of the oil filter. I don't know why we do that, but the old timers that do it, and it's been like a thing for the still. So then we're gonna put that thing back on. We're gonna wipe down when you're making a meal. Where's the bolt that you took off? You gotta replace bolt. Dig in here.
Wait, what? Ew.
So I got the bolt.
Oh, wait, you have to first try?
Just had to go straight down for a little bit. You don't want to replace this seal. This is what you call a crush washer. Because it gets crushed. Clean this part out. And drop the wire there. You want to clean that up a little bit. Find one that works. And that's gonna be a brush wash. We're gonna put this in here. Now we can reinstall the
Next up, we're gonna put the drain plug back on.
We got our drain plug with a new seal. And we're gonna put this thing on. Why do we do a tire? Are we supposed? When are we doing a tire rotation? Yes, we're doing it now. But what do? We do a tire rotation every what?
Today.
Every oil change, not every day. When have you seen us doing it? All right. Yep, right there. And then you're just gonna push the trigger one time. Go. Alright, take out another one. Yeah, go for it, dude. Wait, not even. Make sure the hole is in. Make sure you put it all the way in. There it is. Push it in all the way in. Don't push the trigger. There it is. There it's spin right there. Alright, let's do another one. Put it in there right. Oh. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, I know. That's why you have it, dude. So we won't be out here all day. Put it in. Go. Alright. So now you saw the wheel is officially off, right? Now we can pull the wheel off the car. So, watch out. We're just gonna take it off, right? Alright, now let's collect all your nuts. Or what I like to do is I like to put the wheel down and I put the nuts in the hole. Put the nuts in the hole.
by hand.
But what did you do with the tire? You're doing a tire rotation, right?
Yeah.
Chest up back here. Yep. Put your body into it. Put your whole body into it. Push the button. All the way in. There it is. Now do another one. Do another one. No, always do it cross-eyed. So if you do one here, now you're going to want to do another one. So you do a cross pattern. That way the wheel gets assembled properly, okay? Yep, the next one will be a top one. Very good. Alright, let's go. Put it in. We're up. Put it on there. There it is. And another one. No, do one. You never want to do the one next to it. Never do the one next to it. So you did this one, you go straight across and straight across. In pitting, yes. In the pits, yeah. That's what they do in the pits. Square up. Don't get scared, dude. Alright.
I wasn't scared.
Alright. Now.
Thank you for watching the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.